Malacanang urges individuals identified as co-perpetrators of former President Rodrigo Duterte in the Crimes Against Humanity case before the International Criminal Court not to go into hiding and instead face the charges if they believe they are innocent. Senators Bato de la Rosa and Bongo were among the 8 co-perpetrators identified in the lesser redacted version of the document containing charges submitted by the ICC Office of the Prosecutor. According to the prosecution, Duterte and his co-perpetrators shared a supposed common plan to neutralize alleged criminals in the country, including those alleged to be involved in illegal drugs through violent crimes including murder from 2011 to 2019. Although the Philippine government has yet to officially receive a new set of arrest warrants, Presidential Communications Office Undersecretary Claire Castro in a briefing on Monday, February 16, says that Duterte's co-perpetrators could be arrested and surrendered to the ICC through the International Criminal Police Organization, similar to how Duterte was apprehended in March last year.
Kung kayo magtatago, ano bang ibig sabihin yan? Kayo ba'y may kasalanan? Tinatago nyo para hindi po kayo madinig at ma-escape kayo or ma-evade the liability of what you had done. So, hindi po kinakailangang magtago kung alam po nila na sila'y walang kasalanan, humarap sila at maging matapang sa mga maaaring proseso.
Senator De La Rosa has been absent from the Senate since November last year and was reported to be hiding in Davao City following news of a possible ICC arrest warrant. Castro also says that if there is sufficient basis for a case, it should proceed to determine the truth.
Muli, ang kaso na isinampa, kung meron naman pong batayan, ay dapat lamang po madinggin. Para malaman natin, pareho naman po ito magiging hustisya sa dalawang panig. Hustisya sa mga di umanong naging biktima ng EJK, ng extrajudicial killings, at ito ay magsisilbing hustisya para doon sa naaakusahan. Kung mapapakita niyang wala naman siyang kinalaman at wala siyang kasalanan, maaaring magkaroon ng acquittal sa nasabing kaso.